Okay, let's talk about a pain point that many of us can relate to: monthly reports. Every month, we find ourselves spending countless hours gathering data, updating dashboards, writing summaries, and formatting slides, all for something that most people just skim and forget. But what if I told you that you could automate 80% of this process using the power of AI? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I use Chat, Excel, and Power BI to automate my entire reporting workflow. From data cleanup to dynamic charts and even summary emails. With the right prompts and setup, your AI assistant can generate insights, highlight key performance indicators, and deliver ready-to-send updates in a fraction of the time. Say goodbye to the 5 hours you used to spend on monthly reports, and say hello to a new way of working smarter, not harder. Let's get started. The first step is to connect to your data source and import your data into Excel. Now I'm using a sample file for this demo, but in your case, it could be connected directly to your database or data warehouse. Once you have your data imported into Excel, it's time to start cleaning and transforming your data. This is where ChatGPT can be really helpful. For example, you can ask it to remove duplicate rows, fill in missing values, or even validate your data formats. It can also help you with more complex tasks like data normalization or creating calculated columns. By the way, if you're enjoying this video so far, please give it a like and subscribe for more AI content. Next, we'll use ChatGPT to generate charts and visuals for our report. For example, we can ask it to create a line chart showing sales over time or a bar chart comparing different categories. You can also ask it to create more complex charts like a stacked area chart or a waterfall chart. And the best part is that these charts are dynamic, which means they'll update automatically when the data changes. Now let's move on to the final step, which is to create the report summary. You can ask ChatGPT to analyze the data and generate insights, then summarize those insights into bullet points or even paragraphs. You can also ask it to highlight key performance indicators and their trends over time. And finally, you can ask it to generate an email summary that you can send to your stakeholders. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've automated your entire monthly reporting workflow. You can now spend less time on repetitive tasks and more time on strategic initiatives. So why wait? Start automating your reports today and join the AI revolution. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.